Let's talk crazy Christmas cards. For years, my dad drew us as cartoon characters and then sent it out to everyone we knew. Merry Christmas from the Milnes. We're supposed to be the Simpsons. My cousin was living with us at this time, so she's here in the middle and that's me. A representation of family circle. It's supposed to be a joke, like we're all saying, it's not me that ate the cookies, it was the ghost. The ghost is not me, you get it? The next one gets a little bit intense. I think my cousin moved in with us again. That's her, and I got to be Italia. I also love that he still included the dog, and it's the hand, it's a little paw at the bottom there. Grandpa lived with us, so he's this old fuddy-duddy cow here, and this is supposed to be the far side. I think at some point he got tired of drawing, so he started coming up with other things to do. So this is when Men in Black came out. We were Milnes in black. I don't know, I think we look pretty cool. I didn't even realize I'm not in this picture, but this is when Got Milk was very popular. Turns out it's really hard to get that little milk mustache. So even though they tried to, they ended up having me Photoshop these little mustaches. And this is when Photoshop was really brand new, so it was pretty cool. And I believe the slogan was Got Milnes.